thought important we address to you. We have dealt so much on the need for unity in this party. As you can see, we are all here. Your end of duty, as an end of duty of this party, remain united despite all the challenges. We have sat down, discussed all thorny issues, and trashed it out today. Agreed. We have already, as proposed by the last NEC, that the NEC meeting scheduled for 23rd, 24th, and 25th will still hold. To our members, I want to bring good tidings that your party is very, very intact. To APC, I want to send a message. And we will continue to harass, and buy our members. But the 2027 election is between Nigerians and you. It's better to start fighting and correct your ways. Hunger, insecurity, arbitrary extortion of Nigerians is more than overwhelming. So we are in a democratic setting. You should hear the yearning of people. Like I said earlier, we are not conquered. We are law-abiding citizens. We deserve to be heard. For democracy to strive, people say their mind, people should be listened to, and policies should be people's oriented. This is the only party in the country that have lasted this long. They have mastered the act of complete resolution. We know our problem and we solve it within ourselves. To those that are contemplating, they should know that they have no place. And there's nowhere that will be as accommodating as our party. But if they feel, I will wish them good luck. But I know they will run coming back. I want to reiterate that if you are a member of People's Democratic Party, we are drawing a line for those that go to the market party. Watch them and take appropriate action at the right time. If you believe in this party, you should be ambassador that forgets the fortunes that this party has given to the citizens of this country when it was there. Thank you, most sincerely. It's not for the few.